Welcome everyone. This video is all about the world of lockpicking, a craft that has intrigued both hobbyists and security professionals alike for centuries. Lockpicking is not just about clandestine activities. It's a complex and legitimate skill that has been used to improve security and educate individuals about the mechanics of locks. Let's start with an introduction to the art of lockpicking. Lockpicking is the art of manipulating the components of a lock to unlock it without using the original key. It has a rich history dating back to ancient Egypt and has been essential in locksmithing, security assessment, and even the development of better lock designs. Today, it is practiced as a hobby by lock enthusiasts, and is taught as a valuable skill in locksmith training programs. Understanding the mechanics of locks is crucial to appreciate the art of lockpicking. Locks operate on the principle of a series of pins or tumblers that must align at specific heights to release the lock's mechanism. A typical lock consists of a plug, pins, springs, and a housing. When you insert a key into the lock, the key's unique pattern pushes the pins to their correct positions, allowing the plug to rotate and open the lock. Lockpickers use various tools to manipulate these pins, applying tension to the plug while carefully lifting each pin until they align, ultimately unlocking the door. Now, let's turn our attention to the ethical considerations surrounding lockpicking. Lockpicking is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it is a valuable skill that can be used for legitimate purposes such as locksmithing, emergency situations, and security assessments. Locksmiths rely on these skills to help people regain access to their property when keys are lost or broken. Security professionals use lockpicking to identify vulnerabilities and improve security measures. However, the ethical line becomes blurred when lockpicking is used for illicit purposes, such as breaking and entering or theft. It is essential to emphasize that lockpicking should only be practiced responsibly and within the bounds of the law. Furthermore, the lockpicking community places a strong emphasis on ethical behavior. Many lockpickers adhere to a strict code of ethics that discourages illegal activities and promotes responsible lockpicking education. Locksport events and organizations around the world aim to foster a sense of camaraderie and shared knowledge among enthusiasts while emphasizing ethical conduct. In conclusion, the world of lockpicking is a captivating realm that combines technical expertise, problem-solving, and ethical considerations. While lockpicking can be used for both good and ill, it is crucial to recognize its legitimate applications and the importance of responsible, legal use. So, whether you are an aspiring locksmith, a security professional, or simply curious about this age-old craft, remember that the art of lockpicking offers a world of intrigue and knowledge, best explored with respect for the law and ethical guidelines.